Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're exploring some of the most important verbs you use every single day, and the present, past, and past participle. These forms help you speak clearly, confidently, and correctly in real conversations. Let's build your vocabulary together and make English easier, one verb at a time.
Go, went, gone. Come, came, come. Do, did, done. Make, made, made. Have, had, had. Get, got, gotten or got. Give, gave, given. Take, took, taken. See, saw, seen. Say, said, said. Eat, ate, eaten. Drink, drank, drunk. Sleep, slept, slept. Wake, woke, woken. Walk, walked, walked. Run, ran, run. Read, read, read. Write, wrote, written. Speak, spoke, spoken. Tell, told, told. Call, called, called. Ask, asked, asked. Answer, answered, answered. Use, used, used. Need, needed, needed. Work, worked, worked. Live, lived, lived. Love, loved, loved. Like, liked, liked. Want, wanted, wanted. Try, tried, tried. Learn, learned, learned. Study, studied, studied. Teach, taught, taught. Help, helped, helped. Show, showed, shown. Play, played, played. Watch, watched, watched. Listen, listened, listened. Hear, heard, heard. Move, moved, moved. Put, put, put. Bring, brought, brought. Buy, bought, bought. Sell, sold, sold. Pay, paid, paid. Send, sent, sent. Open, opened, opened. Close, closed, closed. Break, broke, broken. Build, built, built. Cut, cut, cut. Cook, cooked, cooked. Clean, cleaned, cleaned. Drive, drove, driven. Fix, fixed, fixed. Hold, held, held. Keep, kept, kept. Hit, hit, hit. Kick, kicked, kicked. Throw, threw, thrown. catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Climb, climbed, climbed. Draw, drew, drawn. Dance, danced, danced. Drop, dropped, dropped. Fall, fell, fallen. Fill, filled, filled. Follow, followed, followed. Jump, jumped, jumped. Pull, pulled, pulled. Push, pushed, pushed. Raise, raised, raised. Repair, repaired, repaired. Ride, rode, ridden. Send, sent, sent. Shake, shook, shaken. Shout, shouted, shouted. Sit, sat, sat. Stand, stood, stood. Swim, swam, swum. Throw, threw, thrown. Win, won, won. Lose, lost, lost. Draw, drew, drawn. Dig, dug, dug. Feed, fed, fed. Bite, bit, bitten. Blow, blew, blown. Burn, burned, burned. Catch, caught, caught. Fold, folded, folded. Hang, hung, hung. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit, hit. Hurt, hurt, hurt.